everybody, welcome. We are in 2019, can you believe that? We're almost in the middle of January and we all start the new year with the best of intentions, right? We want to lose some pounds, get more active, and then what happens? I know, it's not easy, don't feel bad. Only 1 in 10 people actually keep the New Year's resolutions. But after all the stress and overeating from the holidays, it's very crucial to restore balance to our body. Because the ugly truth is that our body is exposed to different toxins. Even if we live a happy and healthy life, we are still exposed to different toxins from environmental pollutants, pesticides, fruit preservatives, hair products, cleaning products, etc. In addition, as we age, our body begins to break down and is less able to process all these toxins that we encounter in our daily life. These toxins are stored in tissues and cells through our entire body, and they affect every one of our systems, our body systems. So in simple words, our body doesn't function well when it's loaded with toxins. So we need to detoxify to balance our body and our digestive system, especially if we're planning to lose weight. Trying to lose weight without detoxifying will cause that all the toxins that live inside the fat tissues will start flooding our system. So you may ask, what is the right way to detox? How can I detox safely? In the past, we used to buy colon cleansers, laxatives products. The problem is that none of these products address the core of the problem. They simply mask the problem for a while without any true benefit. So the best way to get and stay healthy is through following 3 simple natural daily steps. Only 3 simple daily natural steps, and they are water. And when I mean water, is water. Drink a lot of water. You need to drink lots of water because water flushes unwanted material. It helps the kidneys function properly and aids the digestive system. Second, fiber. You need to include fiber. The average woman should include an average 25 grams of fiber per day. And the third one is antioxidants. We must include a lot of antioxidants in our diet because the antioxidants help to avoid the free radicals. So to help you to stay healthy, we now include in our body lines, in our body management line, a product that is rich in antioxidants. And this is called the Advanced Detox Support. This antioxidant or supplement, it nourishes our body, natural body detoxification, and it aids with the digestive system and also helps with the regularity that is so important for our overall well-being. It's caffeine free, it's gluten free, it's not a laxative, and it contains powerful antioxidants from the sources like bilberry, blueberry, and acai. You know how berries are very rich antioxidants. It also contains vitamin C to help support your immune system. It contains chamomile extract, that is an herb that is well known because of its healthy properties, and it contains B vitamins to support our natural energy levels and help us energize during the day. And of course, it contains our main key ingredient, the Ganoderma mushroom powder. And you know the benefits of the Ganoderma is this herb is very rich in antioxidants. It's like a rocket fuel for the body. It helps to promote health and longevity. So give it a try. Remember to start your breakfast, a healthy breakfast, with protein. You must include protein in most of your meals. So you can choose from any of my protein shakes. We had the vanilla or chocolate. This has 3 grams of fiber, 30 grams of protein plus other nutrients. It's rich in antioxidants because the Ganoderma. And you can add some fruit and veggies to add more content to the fiber. And if you are into coffees, we had a variety of healthy coffees, different flavors. And also, if you want to try to lose weight, please include the green tea. You know the benefits of the green tea. You hear many times in the internet the benefits of the green tea. This green tea is very mild. It doesn't have a strong caffeine like others teas, and it has the Ganoderma power too, and it's rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that they help you to lose weight. If you drink every day 2 cups a day before the meals, it helps you to lose weight. So that's my advice for today for starting the new year. And always please follow my page. I always post tips to help you to stay healthy and be the best of you. And remember what I told you last year, the 3 S practice: eat slow, small, and smart.